Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share weekly Shopify tutorials, theme customization tips, and powerful AI workflows designed to help you build and scale your e-commerce store faster. Today's topic is one of the most exciting updates Shopify has released: AI-powered theme editing. Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Shopify theme with Shopify AI. Editing your Shopify theme can seem daunting at first, but with the help of Shopify's AI tools, the process becomes much more manageable and efficient. Let's dive right into it. Before moving ahead, it's worth mentioning that Shopify AI is designed to save you hours of manual coding and content writing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Shopify store owner, these tools can dramatically speed up your workflow. To kick things off, the first step is to open your Shopify admin panel and locate the theme you want to edit. Once you're there, you will need to click on the Customize button. This will take you directly into the site editor, the central hub for all your theme editing activities. Now that you're inside the site editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you will notice an Add Section button. Click on this to begin the process of adding a new dynamic section to your Shopify site. A list of available sections will be displayed, and from this list, look for the one labeled Generate. The Generate section is one of the newest AI-powered features, allowing you to create layouts, content blocks, and custom designs without touching any code. Once you click on it, a text field will appear on the right panel. This text field is essentially your gateway to customizing your site through AI. Enter the specific prompt for the section you want to be generated. This could be anything from a simple text block with a call to action button to a more complex multi-part layout showcasing your products. The more detailed your prompt is, the better results the AI will produce. You can mention colors, layout style, tone of text, button labels, and more. Upon entering your prompt, the AI will get to work. It's important to note that the time it takes for the AI to generate the code can vary depending on the intricacy of the section you've requested. Once the AI finishes generating, you'll see the new section appear directly on your site. It will also be saved in your list of available sections for the current theme, allowing you to easily reuse or edit it later. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across your designs. If you'd like to edit any of the text fields on your site, simply click on them. When you do, you'll notice that the right panel displays the properties of the corresponding text field. Within these text fields, there's an AI button, which can be extremely helpful if you're unsure of what to write. Clicking this button will allow the AI to generate descriptions based on what you describe, further simplifying the copywriting process. This feature is especially powerful for product pages, hero banners, and call to action sections where strong copy can make a big difference in conversions. In addition to editing sections and text, the Shopify Sidekick AI is at your disposal. You can ask it to perform a wide range of Shopify-related tasks, such as changing specific settings. However, do keep in mind that the Sidekick AI may occasionally provide instructions instead of executing the task directly. As Sidekick continues to evolve, it will become even more powerful, so it's worth checking back often to see what new capabilities have rolled out. And that's all there is to it. Editing a Shopify theme using Shopify AI doesn't have to be complex every day. With these tools at your fingertips, you can enhance and customize your site quickly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing with Shopify AI. Before you go, feel free to comment below with the next AI or Shopify feature you'd like me to cover. And if this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like. It really supports the channel and helps more store owners discover these guides.